guys, welcome back to Angie's Table. So today we're gonna be making a creamy kimchi udon, and it's gonna be all the creamy goodness, and we're gonna have a little bit of a kick from the kimchi flavor, and it's gonna be amazing. So let's go and check out the ingredients. So the udon I have is from the frozen section, so they come in flat cakes like this. These are fully cooked, so all you need to do is just have it soaked in some lukewarm water so that it kind of unravels itself. So let's go ahead and do that. So now I'm going to carefully take all my things over. Okay. And we're gonna start with some oil and fry up some kimchi. So I have it on medium heat, and we'll add a good amount of oil in. And let's add in the kimchi. And once this slightly cooks, we'll add in the onions. Now at this point, we're gonna add in our shrimp and cook all of that together. And now we're gonna go ahead and add in our kimchi juice, our cream, and our oyster sauce. Oh, that looks so good already. So actually, oyster sauce is used in Korean restaurants for pastas very, very often. So they use it because they said it adds like this enhanced, deeper flavor to it, which I completely agree with. I think it honestly does. So as a tip, if you're making like a Koreanized or like a fusionized Asian pasta or stir-fry dish and you feel like something lacked flavor, try adding a little bit of oyster sauce in. It'll completely change the entire dish. In no time, these noodles will have been fully unraveled like this. It literally just takes a couple minutes. The next thing I started making after I first learned how to make ramyeon is pasta. After that, I started making Asian pastas or sometimes stir fries and things like this, like with udon noodles. So growing up in America, but in a Korean household, our refrigerator was filled with Korean ingredients and American ingredients. So that's when I started just mixing things together and trying things out, like experiments. Oftentimes they came out really good, but sometimes I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna avoid that. This is on like the more people-friendly side. Like people know what kimchi is, and kimchi with cream, you know, you really can't go wrong with that. But I do make things like bulgogi pasta and doenjang cream pasta, which sounds really weird, but it's really good. But that's kind of how I came up with this creamy kimchi pasta. Now we're gonna make a fried egg, and we're gonna make this extra crispy, but make sure it's sunny side up so that we can ooze out that egg yolk in between all the noodles and have it be extra creamy. excited to eat this. Okay, let's break the egg first. It's so good. Oh my god. Wish you're gonna die. Perfect.